Did you know buyers form an opinion within the first 7 seconds of entering a home? Hi, I'm Darius, a realtor in Southern California. Creating an inviting entrance is crucial. We'll explore how to captivate potential buyers right from the doorstep. Let's get started. Curb appeal is more than just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Enhance your home's exterior with manicured landscaping and fresh paint to make a lasting first impression that draws buyers in. Less is more when staging your home. Removing personal items helps buyers envision themselves in the space. Effectively decluttering provides for a clean, spacious look. Organizing efficiently is key to showcasing your home's potential. Declutter but don't get overwhelmed, ensuring every room feels open and inviting. Boost your home's appeal with cost-effective updates. From fresh paint to new fixtures, small changes can make a big difference. And be sure to keep with the latest home decor trends. Modernizing doesn't have to break the bank. Strategic updates can transform your space, making it more appealing to potential buyers without a hefty price tag. Staging each room with purpose is essential. Set up spaces that evoke a lifestyle buyers aspire to, using lighting, scents, and textures to create an inviting atmosphere. By implementing these staging tips, you'll enhance your home's appeal and attract more buyers. Start today and transform your home into a buyer's dream. Ready to make a change or need more specific advice for your home? Let us know. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Feel free to hit subscribe if you like this content. And most importantly, be sure to make it a wonderful day.